So I'm gonna be replacing the oxygen sensor bracket on the 7th-gen Nissan Maxima. So if you follow the channel, mine's all in pieces right now. But Alright, so it's located right here. It's above the passenger side axle bracket. So this whole thing is the passenger side axle bracket. So it's held by a 10 mil, if you can see right here. So you can access this from taking off the passenger side wheel. But in my case, I can't do that obviously right now. So I'll be filming this from underneath the car. But like I said, you can access this from taking that wheel off. So all you're gonna need is a 10 mil. So what I'm going to do is take it out. So. And of course you gotta remove the oxygen sensor harness and all that, but let's see. Alright, so once you got the bolt working loose, just back out the tunnel. And then just pop it out. Put the tunnel down here and pop this out. Alright, so now we're gonna put on our old one, or if you did take off the wheel, just pull it out from the side. Now we're gonna get a new one. Check it out the packaging. So part number is 22650JA11B. Alright, so now that we got a new one out, we're gonna go back in here. In my case, from the bottom of the car. For y'all, it'll be from the top of the car, or side of the car. So, just make sure. It's hard trying to put my hand through here and hold the camera at the same time. But let's see. Alright, so now it's in place. And now we just gotta put the 10 mil back in. So I'm gonna set the camera back down and then use my other hand and put the 10 mil in. Alright, so the little 10 mil is back in, I hand tighten it. And there's our harness right here. That also harness that goes right here. So now we're gonna tighten the 10 mil. Alright, so now that's tightened. And then you just put your oxygen sensor back through this loop and then through this loop right here. But that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.